Hello everyone. In this video, we will be exploring natural language processing. Let's dive right in. Firstly, what is NLP? NLP or natural language processing is like the language bridge between humans and computers in the vast realm of artificial intelligence. NLP's goal is to teach machines the art of understanding, interpreting, and generating human like language. Imagine it is a key to unlock seamless communication between us and our digital companions. Now, let's peek into the inner workings of NLP. Tokenization. This is like breaking down a sentence into smaller building blocks like words or phrases. It's the first step in many NLP tasks. Part of speech tagging. Think of it as grammar for computers. It helps machines understand if a word is a noun, verb, or an adjective, unraveling the sentence structure. Named entity recognition. Imagine teaching a computer to spot names of people, organizations, or places in a sea of text. This skill is crucial for pulling out meaningful information. Sentiment analysis. Just like we can tell if someone is happy or sad by their words, machines can analyze text to figure out sentiments. This is handy for everything from monitoring social media to analyzing customer feedback. NLP isn't just a fancy concept, it's at work in some of the tech we use every day. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use NLP to understand and respond to our questions in plain language. Language translation. Ever used Google Translate or DeepL? Well, they use NLP magic to translate text between different languages while keeping the meaning intact. Chatbots. Those helpful chatbots on websites? Yes, they engage in natural language conversations with you thanks to NLP. Sentiment analysis in social media. Did you know that brands monitor social media mentions using NLP? Yes, they do this to gauge public opinion and sentiment about products, brands, or events. But as they say, every tech journey has its challenges. Language ambiguity. Sometimes words have multiple meanings. NLP systems can get confused. The future? Smarter algorithms that understand the context better. Cultural nuances. Languages vary globally, and so do expressions. Future NLP models aim to recognize and understand these cultural nuances. Ethical considerations. NLP needs to be used ethically, especially in sensitive areas. The future involves robust ethical frameworks and guidelines. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more tech insights. Stay tuned for future videos. Until then, this is Tanvita signing off. Thanks for watching.